And now I'm going to apply my sunscreen. This is the Shiseido Extra Smooth Sun Protection Lotion in SPF 38. If I'm looking up, it's because there's a mirror behind my camera, so can't see through my camera, so I'm going to look through a mirror. So now after applying my sunscreen, I'm going to prime my face. And lately I've been in love with my Nature Republic Ice Jelly Primer. This is an amazing primer, especially in this one. This is the cherry one, which is for brightening your face. They also have a green and a purple one. So the green one is supposed to neutralize your redness, and also the purple is supposed to neutralize like yellow tones, I think. Yeah, so I'm going to use this one since I have lots of uneven. So I'm just going to get some of that onto my fingers. Just going to get that. And I like to apply it in the center of my face, since the center of my face has the most unevenness, and that's why I want to brighten up more. Now, you want to be careful though, because if you don't blend it out very well with your fingers, it can leave little like streaks all over the place. So you want to make sure that all of that has been blended out very well. So like if you have any streakiness or like little lines anywhere, you can always press down like this to make it evened out so that those lines disappear. Yoona in 사랑비, she did not have like her first characters, like the 1970 character that she was playing. She didn't have a lot of makeup on. She had a very natural look, and also her face makeup made her look very like it looked like she had no makeup on basically. So I'm gonna go for that look, and instead of applying any BB cream on my face, I'm going to leave my dark circles and leave everything. I just wanted to even it out because she did have a very evened out skin tone. I'm going to leave it like this, and I'm going to apply powder right on top, just straight onto that primer. And I'm just going to use my Etude House. This is the Hello Kitty Precious Mineral BB Compact in Sheer Glowing Skin. And this was limited edition. I'm going to be using my 959B powder blending brush by Bdellium Tools, and I'm just gonna put it into my powder here like this, and I'm going to just powder onto the areas that I really need to just set. So it's like my under eye areas and around my lips, my T-zone. That's it. And I leave my cheeks alone since my cheeks are the driest area. And that is it for the face makeup. She didn't have a lot of blush or anything, but she did have like a little bit of color, so I'm going to apply a tint to my cheeks. I should have done this before applying my my primer and my powder, because usually it looks more natural, but I'm gonna just do it now, even though I should have done it before. Anyways, I'm gonna apply a cheek tint. I'm getting the Benetint tint here, and I'm just going to apply this to the cheeks. I have big cheeks, so this makes my cheeks look even bigger, but it's okay. So yeah, as you can see, it's very nice, like you look flushed. After that, I'm going to move on to the eyes. She did not have any like color on it whatsoever from what I could see while watching the drama. She had like probably most likely eyeliner and mascara. So I'm going to do that, but first I'm going to prime my lids since I still need to prime them. And I'm going to be using the the Etude House Proof 10 Eye Primer. But I do want to add some type of like natural sheen to my lids, give it some more depth. I'm gonna go in with my Revlon Colorstay 12-hour eyeshadow in Neutral Khaki. They're discontinued now, these ones, but they have the new 12, like not 12-hour. I think it's like 16-hour eyeshadow palettes that come with 4 eyeshadows in there as well, but they don't look long like this. They're more square. But anyways, I'm gonna go in with this palette here, and I'm just gonna apply this shade right on top right there. This is a very nice neutral, has like a, it doesn't have shimmers in it, but it's kind of pearly slash matte, so it's like in between a matte and a pearl finish eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna get that, and I'm going to be using my Bdellium Tools 778 large shading brush, and we're just gonna apply it right on top of my lids. Now I'm going to go in with my eyeliner, and I'm just gonna use my pencil liner since it comes off more natural, since it's not so pigmented. As you can see, it's not as black. It's more of a light black, so it's not too black, and it gives more of a natural look to the eyes. So now, in order to darken up that tight line, I'm going to go in with a nice precision brush here that I always use, and from that same Revlon palette, I'm just going to go in with that dark brown here at the bottom, and I'm just going to go over that black line. So now I'm going to move on to the lashes. I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara, and since this is an overall very natural look, I'm going to not apply a super dramatic mascara, but I'm going to apply my handy dandy Skinfood Seaweed waterproof mascara, which gives a very nice natural lift to the lashes. So yeah. Now for the lips, Yoona had very nice natural looking like tinter lips. It wasn't like a lipstick or anything. From what I could tell, it looked a lot like lip tint. So I'm going to be mixing 2 lip tint shades here. First off, I'm going to get the Faceshop Lovely Mix Tint in number 2 Wine Aid, and we're just going to apply this all over the lips. And now I'm going to go in with the Dear Darling tint in number 1 Be리레드. Now I'm just going to blot some of that off onto my hand. So after the lips, I'm going to lastly do my eyebrows, since I always forget to do my eyebrows. So I'm gonna go in with the Faceshop Face It Eyebrow Cake, Designing Cake Eyebrow in number 2 Khaki Gray. And now the makeup is done! Now for the hair, Yoona's character in 사랑비, her first character at least, has a very nice simple hairdo, which is the half up, half down. All you're going to need is hair ties, a bobby pin, a really pretty like clip and a comb. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to section off my hair. Now I'm just going to section off my hair right here, right in front of my ears. So all of that hair right there. So I'm going to section that to the front. And I'm going to just get my bobby pin. And I'm going to just pin that forward so it doesn't mix with my other hair. So after initially sectioning off those two sides of my hair, I'm going to get some more and I'm going to section these parts off as well. So about that much. I'm going to separate the top section of these sides. So about that much. And I'm going to do the same on this side. So that much from that side. Now we're going to combine the two. And then I'm going to get the extra hair that I sectioned off here, and I'm going to add it to those areas, to the rest of the hair. And then I'm going to get the hair elastic and we're going to just tie that off. So now after you tie that off, you're going to take off the hair elastic from this section here. So after I'm going to get my little pretty clip, since Yoona's character, Yoona always has like a clip in her hair. I'm going to get this, I'm going to clip it where that hair tie is. And now I'm going to get this section right here, and I'm going to pin it with a bobby pin. And that is it for the Yoona hairstyle. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye!